Loosen the bolts and buckles. Open the back door. Loosen the screws and buckles. Open the front door. Loosen the screen fixing screw. Open the auxiliary device for changing the screen. Remove the sealant strip. Remove the worn screen. Put in a new screen. Install sealing strips for front and back doors. Turn off the auxiliary device for changing the screen. Tighten the screen fixing screw. Close the front and rear doors. Tighten the screws and snaps. Replacement screen is complete. Start of production.